Okay, let's get started here. Very nice, love the pose. Excellent. Beautiful. Love it.
What a good studio prop.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I just bought that. Oops, hang on. You're lagging up already.
Look at him. He's just like, oh, she's doing this again.
Okay, it looks like this is going to kind of lag up. So
That's okay.
I'm going to cut this off.
I don't need it.
Let's see.
Ow!
You okay?
I just hit my funny bone.
Oh no.
I'm pretty good at that.
Okay.
I'm averaging like 20 shoots a month right now, which is a little insane.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's just muscle memory at this point.
Oh, I'm sure. Okay. Oh, nice. Very nice. I'm gonna cut this light on first.
Have you worked with Liz Ashley?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love her.
She's great
awesome.
too.
Yeah.
She's also Houston based.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
I think she lives on the other side of Houston from me, which that's not hard to do. Houston's a big city.
Oh yeah, sure.
I have another friend who is based in Houston too, and she's in a different other side of Houston.
Okay, let me see what the light.
Every time we're both in town, we're like, we should hang out, and then neither one of us want to drive an hour each way.
Yeah. I understand that.
Not when we're doing that all the time, working.
Yeah.
So we just FaceTime.
Okay, let's see this. Ah, perfect. Perfect. Nice. Very nice. Love it. Yeah, this color looks great with the
Thought it would
burgundy.
contrast well. He learned how to model yesterday.
Oh, the dog?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
We were shooting outside, and the photographer was like, would you mind if we got some pictures with him in them too? And I was just like, yes, absolutely, let's do it. He's like, would you mind if some of them are like you naked? I was just like, yes, let's do it.
Nice.
He did so good. He smiled.
He smiled? Very nice. Love the expressions. Excellent. Nice. Excellent. Very pretty. Love it. Let me get a slightly different angle. Nice. Very nice. Let's see what we got here.
You disconnected it.
Well, I was looking at the time for.
Oh.
I don't want to go too long on the video there. Oh, beautiful pose.